we found out at ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು and everything is gone.
We really got like fire in the belly and we were like, okay guys, it's time, and then we all ran out.
I'll tell you the exact time. 3:36 we were up.
It was something that cannot be told.
I remember throwing the flowers to the camera like with
ಇಬ್ಬರ ಬಗೆನೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಗೀತೆ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು.
So I was in a workshop with Samyukta. Samyukta is one of the people who works at VPCC. Ali, she was like, she dragged me to the side and like, bro, are you free on 30th? I'm like, yeah, I guess, but for what? And she was like, Illa, there's this music video. It's gonna be great fun, you know, just hop on and that.
I've never really done a music video in my life, but I think this opportunity really gave me, you know, like a wide experience as to how shooting goes on when it comes in terms of music and all that.
They're my friends from dance class. We've all been dancing together for a lot of years. So sourcing everything was a Herculean task. And then getting together people, waking up at 3 a.m. in the morning, coming for the shoot was another big task, but it was fun.
Let me tell you the entire backstory. So we woke up at around 3:30. I'll tell you the exact time. 3:36 we were up and I was shaking Akshaya awake. Akshaya, wake up, it's today, wake up. And Vibha was already up. She was like, hi guys, good morning. With such a cheery face, refreshing to see. And we got all ready. And then Srinivas uncle was like, girls, are you ready? Chalo, hold on. So we took our bags, we left.
Once we got there, we found out at ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು and everything is gone. The electricity was, you know, like it was running on low voltage.
And then uncle was like, oh, current ilvante. Oh, current illa.
So everything was pretty dark and we're like, okay, get started with the makeup, get started with everything. And then all of that happened. We missed the sunrise by I think a few minutes, but then we really got the early sunlight shots. And
we had to do our makeup in the dark. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು the makeup artists were there. They tried to plug in straighteners. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಲೋ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಹೋಯ್ತು. It flickered for like 4-5 times and then we're like, ಯಾಕೆ? That was the backstory. The first scene started with us coming out of a room and standing near the pillars. And we took the shot, I think, 4-5 times with the lip sync. And we always forgot a lip sync. So we would get the step but not the lip sync. Or if we would get the lip sync but not the step. So getting both them together at the same time was a very difficult thing to do. But we finally got it.
ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಆಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆಯೋದಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕವಿಗಳು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿನ ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಗಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ನಾವು ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ ಗಂಡನ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಂಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬಂದ ಮುಳುಗ್ದ ಆ ಥರ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರ ಬಗೆನೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಗೀತೆ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು.
It was very fun because there were my friends and there were like, even the cast was very welcoming and we all gelled very well, honestly. So we were yapping half the time. There was more talk, less work, honestly, but then it was fun.
The opening shot itself, our door natural open agi, my expression, all that, adu ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ natural ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. But as I warmed up to it, bantu. And then he said, perfect. And I was like, oh, thank you.
it was really, really fun. I half expected it to be very serious, you know, like one shot agutte and then they're like, okay, no, this didn't come back. I expected a very serious environment, atmosphere and everything. But it was very different from that. Everybody was super chill. We had conversations going on behind the camera, even with Sagar and then Mahati ma'am. It was very fun to be a part of, and then it was very chill basically. None of us had to be, you know, like reserved, or we didn't have to have a barrier around us. It was easy to be around and easy to shoot. We didn't feel that we shot for the whole day. It was just like we just happened. We just had a lot of fun and then they captured it on camera.
scenes. The first scene where you enter, because you know you were excited and you're also like, okay, we have to pretend to be the character and not ourselves. And then, I mean, we live in metro cities and we have been used to baggy jeans and oversized shirts and all that. We can't. It took time to, like, you know, actually envision our girly girl selves. But then, yeah, we kind of tried to, you know, do it, and then it was quite good. And I think the second scene was probably running like women and all that. So yeah, I think our guru would be very happy on seeing that, because he keeps on telling us, like, quite a lot of times, like, why are you guys walking like Gandmaklu? And we're like, sir, sorry, this is just the new, you know, generation of girls. So pretty much.
The weather that day, in the morning it was pretty cool because ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಮಳೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. So it wasn't that sunny in the morning. I think until around 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock, we had a pretty nice shoot time. We all got multiple shots in. But then once the sun started coming up, it became unbearably hot. And then I think from 12 o'clock, say 12 or something, till 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, post lunch too, we couldn't go out and shoot.
It was very hot. Initially, it was pretty cool. But 7 o'clock in the morning felt like 10 o'clock. And 10 o'clock felt like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We were lit on fire, you know, and then that we were wearing Langa Davani, which was sticking to us, and then it was very sweaty. It was very hot.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬಿಸಿಲು, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಸಿಲಿತ್ತು. ಬಿಸಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸ್ತೆ. ನನಗಿಂತ ಪಾಪ ಮಕ್ಕಳದು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗೋಯ್ತು.
Off camera, we had so much fun. ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು there was one tiny makeup room that we stayed the entire day. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಇತ್ತು. So everyone was just holed up there the whole day. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. We couldn't shoot. ಊಟ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ everyone was lazy, lethargic. Lazy conversations was amazing. I loved it.
Random conversations, 3-4 topics happening at once. Some people napping, some people just waking up, some people sliding into another nap. It was very fun to watch. It was very fun to be a part of.
It felt good to have people of my age do something very different in their life, apart from the typical conventional jobs that a lot of people look into. So it was a very fun time. I enjoyed the whole process. It didn't feel stressful. Family tara ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. I didn't feel awkward at all.
ಬಾನಸರದಾರ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರಾಗ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಹತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಚಿತ್ರೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷೆನೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಯಾವ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷೆನೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ನೋಡಿ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶನೂ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು.
When I heard the song for the first time, I felt like I could really connect to it. Andre, I felt it in me. I don't know how to explain that, but ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ it could, whatever was seen on camera, it came out naturally. Nothing was forced.
To be honest, I forgot originally to bring it, and then 2 minutes before removing, I'm like, Gauramma, didn't ma'am say this yesterday that I have to get this ghagra choli? I climbed the ladder, pulled it out from my cupboard, didn't bother keeping it in any bag, threw it inside the car boot, and I came. Ma'am also said she has a few pieces, so she'll bring hers as well. Last minute alli ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಂದಿದ್ದದನ್ನ. I liked the spinning. I eventually got dizzy because we did that shot like 4 times. And then ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಜಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಟಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಆ ಡ್ರೋನ್ದು, but it was fun.
There was a fun time. I remember throwing the flowers to the camera, like with a full-on aggressive face, but it was a very fun time. I think all of us enjoyed the throwing the flowers, running around, and it was like literally like a combination of Coco and I don't know, tag, and I think it was like one of the best times in that entire video where we could just throw something and then look dead into the camera and throw the flowers at the camera, but it was a very fun scene. Yeah,
ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಹೋಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಅಂತೂ ಬಿಚ್ಚಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೂ ಹಾಟ್ ಒನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಥಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ we had the time of our life in just throwing the flowers at each other. I felt that scene was the most natural you can ever find in the whole music video. We were us in that whole scene.
ಸಾಗರ್ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ತಾಯಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹೆಂಗಸಿನ ಹಾಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ತುತ್ತ ಹಾಕೋ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸೀನು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ನ ನೀವೇ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ನಾನು ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, ಸೀರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಮಾಡೋರ್ಗೂ ತಾಯಿ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಗಂಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಸಾಗರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಸಾಗರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಅವನು. ಸರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಟೀಚರ್ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ಸಾಗರ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನೀನು ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಟೀಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
I think more than a scene, I would say it was the last part when after the pack up. But I think we recorded that as well. So that was a scene. So it was supposed to rain in the, evening-ish time because, we wanted a shot where it was raining and, we were enjoying in the rains and the clouds and all that. But then unfortunately it didn't. And then we were like, okay, like, this is it. And then we were like, pack up. And then post pack up, it started, we could see the clouds and, like the dark clouds, and we thought it was going to rain. I think it kind of drizzled and we all got so excited, and then we ran towards the other end of the farmhouse, and then we were enjoying. We were singing Shah Rukh Khan songs and all that. And then it was really fun, and I think that was our unfiltered self.
The directors, I would say, they took the turns to be a bad cop and a good cop. Both of them were neither, but they did take turns to be one of them. But it was very fun. They were lively. There was a very fun time to be with them. They would try to joke around, try to, sort of help us get out of the mood of the heat and the sweatiness. They try to get us out of it. And honestly, they're very fun. They're very creative. ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಫೋನ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್, ಅದು ಇದು ಎಂಥದ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Just look around, breathe, take it all in. You're here in the moment. Savor it. They would have this weird vision just pop up out of nowhere, and they would say, we have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. Honestly, their vision, they had an idea of what exactly had to be done, and they would, even during the shoot itself, they would be like, okay, this doesn't work, let's do this, this doesn't work, let's do this. So they were very enthusiastic about it. They were very creative, so it was a very fun time to be with them. So ಮೂವಿಗಳು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೂವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬಿಡು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ, ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು, ವಾಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಡೀಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ನೋ, ಯು ಟ್ರೈಡ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ದ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ದಿ ಕ್ರೂ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್, ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಯು ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. No, you try doing it. There's like 500 takes and you have to choose which one's perfect. It's so hard deciding between each and every take. We took one day to shoot it. One entire day for a 7-minute song. There's so many factors involved. As I said, weather nodbeku. We have to check how the cast members are feeling. Are they in the vibe or not? If they're not in the vibe, bring them to the vibe. That is a lot of process.
Done with the audio recording over 50 plus hours.
We wanted to capture the morning sun rays. I don't know what, he was a little annoyed with us. I don't know what, he was like,
And we got a beautiful shot.
Yeah,
That's the last part of the video.